done yet. Hey, look! The Bro Squad is back.
I cannot help thinking...
What?
We still do not know what happened to your dimension's Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
First earthquake. We thought, okay, lockdown. You're walking it now.
Approaching the main drill.
Wow! It's been my lifelong dream to operate a drill 100 times bigger than me.
Really? That is very specific.
Specific goals are achievable goals.
Lombax robot, brilliant news! I decoded the message from beyond. Listen! Finally, the reception. Listen, do not turn on the drill. The rift's damaged it. The drill destroyed our Blizzard.
What? But we just turned it on!
Take cover! Lockdown engaged! I can try a remote shutdown. Like a bad cheese!
Stupid freaking drill!
I thought you loved giant machinery.
I've had a change of heart.
I should have upgraded a faster service.
Phase quartz, suspended in the drill beam.
I'll knock it out with my hammer.
Please, be careful.
Yes! Oh, you guys.
We must return to the other dimension quickly. Be careful. That is the last of them.
There's gotta be a way back around here.
sweet death and have a blazing blizzard day.
We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
What is your plan?
That dropship, big and heavy.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or, if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it and stop the planet from shattering.
Normally I'd say that's against protocol, but this is the pre-post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it!
Then, brace for impact.
Hello, it is your best friend, Jim. Please do not die, as I deleted my sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Not now, Jim.
I wish I had a sad noise to play.
Cái video cái này nè, không phải để
Rivet. Oh, no.
Well, maybe it's not as bad as it... I know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Torin 4 called the Fixer. If it's broke, the Fixer'll fix it.
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
I can't believe we saved Blizzard. How about we fix up the space course and save the universe? All right, folks. Let's go find the Fixer.
You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lives. Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being cut into a formless void. False. Think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax Vandals have not escaped. How could they if... I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion parabucks. Just look at it all. So big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes.
It seems Dr. Nefarious will stop at nothing to catch us.
We'd better keep moving. The Fixer better be ready to fix some phase cords.
At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action. Let's get some phase courts repaired. I hope the Fixer is as good as the Morts say he is.
Yes, I hope so too.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the video. Goodbye for now.